Hey, how you going there? Hey, just wanted to do a little quick video before you step on through into the way that we've laid out all these how-to tutorials for Builderall. What we've been doing is, like yourselves, we're building our business online. We've sort of been learning Builderall, and what we've tried to do as I build my team is actually make it easier. So hence the domain name Builderall Made Easy. So what we've done is we're trying to use every part of Builderall doing this. So in effect, what you see is what you get, or what's on offer. Yeah. So as you come through here, we're going to start to actually use the e-learning modules. Yeah, where you can start to drill in and actually find what you're looking for in that, if I may, pathway. What you'll do is, if you're on mobile, you've got a little small icon sitting there on the top. You're going to be able to use that for a menu and start to look into more of the overall headlines that we've got, and then there's sub components of that as well. So an example might be the website builders. You've actually got 4 of them, as you would and by now, and you can actually choose which one. And then we've got graphics and all those sort of different bits and pieces coming through in there. So really try to keep it neat and tidy, sharp and simple. Okay, so I understand that simple is not necessarily simple for us, isn't necessarily simple for you. So as we go through, we've actually got our own Facebook group, Builderall Made Easy, or page, and come over. We'll be sharing the link there as well, and come over, ask us a question, and we're only here to help. Okay, here's to your happiness and joy. Talk soon. Take care, and bye for now. See ya on the next one. Bye.